So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maureen Adwera and I am back again with a new video. And for today's video is something a bit different. So guys, there's this. So this is my new house, as I said, and they are old houses. They're those zile nyumba zilitengenezwa kitambo. So I loved it because of the space. And that's why I decided to just move in. You know, there were the other options, but you know, these houses zinajengwa siku hizi, they're a bit squeezed, ni kidogo kidogo. So I love this one because of the space. Though ni zile nyumba za kitambo, I just said I'll adjust it to how I want it. So guys, there's this mbao zinakonga kwa wall. I don't know if you know them. This let me show you guys. So there's this mbaos, you see, like I have them over here. Nilizitoa zinaikwanga somewhere hapa, I think for putting pictures. Kuna zingine, they're everywhere, like, so you see at the other side, they were around kakila mahali. So I decided to remove mine because sikuzipenda nile style ya kitambo, and I've been wanting to fill them. Every day I keep on postponing and I don't know why. I don't know. So today I just decided, let me just do this project and get over it so that you're okay. So guys, I have like everything, but there's one, I have filler, because I understand you're supposed to use filler, and I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to do it with you. So that's why I'm doing this vlog, so that I involve you on how I'm going to make the wall. So I understand I'm supposed to have filler and paint and brush for painting, and then there's this flat thing. I don't know what it's called. I'll show you guys. I'm supposed to go purchase it at the hardware, but I don't know what's the name. So nikienda, if I'll go with you, let's hope I'll go with you, I'll show you what it is. Sawa. So guys, before we start the video, for those of you who are new here, for those who are watching this for the first time, welcome to this amazing family and you will not regret it. But first, subscribe, turn on the post notification button so that anytime I upload my video, you'll be notified. And to my returning viewers, to those viewers who are always viewing, I just want you to know that I so much appreciate you guys, and I don't take your support for granted. And I thank you for always being there with me and for always supporting me. So guys, let's just jump into the video. Let me go to the hardware and purchase those things, then I come back and tutengeneze. Luckily enough, I didn't have to go to the hardware because vile nilitoka hapa, I went to my sister's house. You know, we are neighbors, and luckily enough, I found out that she had the stuff that I wanted, and it's this thing. So this is what I wanted from the hardware, the flat thing that I still don't know what it's called. So if you know the name, you can write it down on the comment section, because I still don't know. So this is what I'm supposed to use to fill in the holes that I made while I remove the mbaos. So again, and I also needed a brush, which she also had, because alikuwa naitumia. You know, in our family sisi ni mafundi kiasi. It's very hard for us to peleka pesa kwa fundi unless it's something we do not know how to make, or do. So she also had the brush, and it's because I'm a tumia, it's a bit hard. so we'll have to use a filler. I'll have to dip it kwa filler so that I can also use it ikuje sawa. And I also have filler, but ilibaki kidogo, so I'll have to go and also get mine. So the only thing I'm now going to get kwa hardware ni the paint. And guys, unfortunately, I will not do this project today again, and that is because I have a toothache. And if you're very keen, you'll notice that this side of my face is a bit swollen because of the toothache, and I've had it from jana, and anyway, it's inapona kiasi, but it's a bit painful, so I will not be able to do it today. I will have to postpone again to tomorrow, and I'm really crossing my fingers so that tomorrow I do it. So let me just rest kidogo, then baadaye go purchase the paint, then again I start the project, but that will be tomorrow. So I'm shooting this today, but the project I'll do it tomorrow. That is because of my toothache. I can't do it today, sina hiyo nguvu. So guys, wacha tungoje mpaka kesho, sawa? But tomorrow, crossing my fingers. So guys, I am back again after the rest, and it's 3 days. It's not the next day, as I said. 3 days. My tooth kept on, it was on off, so plus vile nilikuwa nasema hii project, but leo tunaimaliza. So guys, ile time I didn't nilikuwa nimebuy the sandpaper, but leo I have everything. I have the sandpaper, I have the paint. So first I'm going to soak this brush kwa thinner. I also nearly add, as I said I was going to add. So let me soak, then I mix the filler. I have the filler here, over here. I mix it with water, then ndio ni eke filler, then ni eke rangi, ni paint rangi sawa sawa. And I'm not going to use gloves, hii ni kazi kidogo, so there's no need of gloves. So acha niendelee na kazi, naongea mingi.
You gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say
So I'm now going to, I already started. There are other parts uko nyuma ilikwisha kauka. I've already started. I've already, how do we call it? I've already nisha chapa sandpaper. Sasa I'm doing this side. Hii ndio wall imebaki. Hii shimo ilikuwa kubwa sana, so for it to kauka ili take a little bit of time. Imetupeleka mpaka jioni. So wacha tu ninang'ana. Tunaona ijakauka vizuri, but let me just this one is going to take me. This one is going to take me a lot of time because nilieka mob. The hole was very deep, so nilieka mingi. So I'm going to take a lot of time with sandpaper, and ikwe smooth. It's going to take a lot of time, but I'm up to the challenge. I'm not even sure if I'm going to paint today, but acha tung'ang'ane. Vizuri. I'll have to wait kidogo. Let me just put on mask. Hiyo vumbi ni mingi. So guys, I have already finished doing the sandpaper. I have finished this side. All the walls I've done the sandpaper. And as you can see, you sweat yote. It's not an easy work, but I now have a very big problem. And this side I haven't started painting, but let me take you. So guys, you see this side. So you see this side, I had already started painting this side, but the problem is the paint that I sent my daughter to buy, she was given the wrong color. As you can see, it's a bit whitish. It's not matching the color on the paint, so I have to wait. I have sent her back again to the shop to buy another paint, but it's late and I'm not sure kama atapata kama hardware zimefunguliwa, because it's already 6 in the evening, and mostly by now most hardware zinakwanga zimefungwa. So I think I have to again postpone this project up to Sunday, but now that will be on my next video, because the only thing remaining now is painting, because I've already finished with everything. The wall is ready for painting. I've sandpapered it, it's smooth, and it's now ready for painting. The paint that was brought is the one that it may disappoint, but everything ilikuwa iko ready. So because it's dragging, I don't want to do it again on this video, so that will be again on the next video. So, and I'm also tired. I'm tired and I'm thirsty. The whole day I've just been doing this paint, kweka san nini thinner, filler and smooth, and it's not easy. But let me just wind this video here. Let me just finish it here. So guys, for those of you who are still watching and haven't subscribed, please do so. Please subscribe, share my video with your friends, give this video a thumbs up, give me a comment, drop a comment, and let's have fun together. So guys, see you on my next video. And let me just wind up. My house is in a mess and I am sweating, as you can see. I am sweating, so I have to freshen up, and tuonaneni kwa my next vlog. Thank you for being patient, and thank you for watching the video. Bye.